Okay. Jackie. Jackie. Wow. So much. First stop, San Francisco. How's it going? Got some kind of robot drink maker. Wow. It's kind of cool. Just killing time here at the San Francisco airport. One more hour to go, and then I'm out of here. Over now.
And I've got 11.5 and I'm grandfather in that.
Yum 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 yum. Yum 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 yum.
There's the plane. Just made it to Taipei. Sticky on the ground. Wow. It's pretty cool. Wow. What an airport. There we go. Next stop, Philippines. Going through the tunnel. Here we are, made it to the Philippines. Nice and warm, as usual. Beautiful. Oh man, look at this. There's a narcotics dog in the Philippines. Do you smell anything, buddy?
It's a Nigerian guy here.
Really?
Bring with him 17 kilos of methamphetamine high.
How long ago?
Yeah, in February 2, 2022.
Yeah.
Last
Wow. Did he get a good treat for that one, or
Yeah. because
Badge?
I know he only
just the
he
ball?
likes dog.
Oh man,
Hey, Bakit. Come here.
that's awesome. He got the ball. The Nigerian got
Thank you.
life in prison.
Where's the ball? Where's? Come on, buddy. Where's? Good boy.
That was pretty cool.
It's a big fire.
Look at that fire. Alrighty. All right. Made it to the Philippines. Check out this pool. Wow. Oh man. That fire. And there we got the open burning tire pit where everyone puts their used tires and just burns them. This has been burning for about, I think, 4 years straight. And luckily the wind's going the right direction. Not good. All right, walking out of the Bella Vista Hotel. Everyone gets around on these scooters out here. From California. Let's check out the street dog.
A lot of stray stuff.
All over the place, yeah. Street dog.
Ay kanin tagbot hinoon makasuot din mababaw kay lapat na nilo. Lapat.
And another one. Look at this little cute thing. Dog. Just a random road. I'm walking down here in the old Philippines. Sweet dog. Cute.